If you're running multiple Shopify stores, managing them from one account can save time, but each store needs its own setup. Start by logging into your Shopify home account. From there, click Add Store or Create New Store to set up an additional Shopify store. Enter the store name, your email address, and choose the store's purpose, such as personal or business use. Complete the setup by choosing a plan or trial option and configuring basic settings like currency and time zone. Once multiple stores are created, you can switch between them by returning to the Shopify Home dashboard and selecting the store you want to manage. Each store has its own dashboard, products, and settings, but your login credentials remain the same, making it easy to access all stores from one account. After setup, you can manage all your Shopify stores from one account, switching between dashboards as needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.